Meal Prep Sunday has changed my life.
I lost 10 pounds.
I've already lost body fat.
I've gained 5 pounds of muscle.
in less than 2 months.
Couple months.
I feel better. I look better.
My skin looks great. Even my hair feels better.
There's no better result anymore.
Can they really do all that?
We've helped countless people transform their lives. We have a large community in the Meal Prep Sunday family, a community full of success stories about how we save them money, about how we save them time, and how their bodies transformed, which all built up to their lives transforming. And all of those results come from this state-of-the-art facility, from our world-class team of chefs that's committed themselves to flavor and the results the food gives. And when we pair out chefs with top-of-the-line equipment that's only found in the most upscale kitchens, we've meticulously devised a winning formula for success that consistently enriches the experience for our clients week after week, which is why we don't have our clients sign contracts and we don't have cancellation fees or hidden fees, because we know you'll see the value in what we offer. That's why so many people trust our service. We're of the community and we serve the community. Our passion is to give you the highest quality meals without the high price tag and saving you time as well as money. We tirelessly strive to make our service surpass whatever hype you may have heard about us and what other services you may have tried. We want to earn your trust with each meal we put out into the world. And to put the right foot forward in our relationship, there's no contract, there's no cancellation fee. Come and go as you wish, and we'll be here to serve as you see fit. And to show goodwill, we offer 50% off for your first order. We want to earn your trust. Try us out and you'll see we can really do all that.